Alright, this is a food review called the Truffle Blizzard. It's fudge, caramels, and whatever else is there. I'm going to take a spoonful and I'm going to try it. I'm going to take the truffle and find out. It's probably what it is inside the spoon right here. Very good. Like this video, catch me on YouTube, subscribe, and you can also subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Also hit the like button if you like it. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching this video on YouTube. If you like the video on YouTube, give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel. And you can visit my blogs at any time. And my social media is included. And thanks for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.